Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about JKSSB recruitment for 2021. So here are the basic details. The organization name is Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board. The post names are Librarian, Junior Assistant, Junior Stenographer, Binder, Cataloger, Conversation Assistant and other posts. Now, the total vacancies are 1,700. The starting date is 16th of December 2020 and the closing date is on 16th of January 2021. The application mode will be online and the job location is in Jammu and Kashmir. Here is the official website, which is jkssb.nic.in. You can check out the official website if you need more information. Moving on, here are the vacancy details. The department is Transport, having 144 posts, Labor and Employment, having 78 posts, Culture, 79 posts, Election, 137, Tribal Affairs with 16 posts, and Finance with 1,246 posts. Here are the post-wise vacancies. For Librarian, there are 5, Junior Librarian, there are 48, Junior Assistant, 37, Junior Stenographer, 25, for Binder, Cataloger, Conversation Assistant, Surveyor and a Modeler, there are 111 posts open accordingly. Then for a Photographer, there are 2 vacancies open. For a Chemical Assistant and a Lab Technician, there is 1 post open. For Library Assistant, there are 2. For Junior Assistant, 69. For Driver, 68. For Record Keeper and a Boiler Man, there are 2 posts opened accordingly. For a Labor Inspector, there are 3 posts. For Labor Officer, there are 3 posts. Again, for the Supervisor, there are 7 posts opened accordingly. For a Career Council Officer and for a Store Attendant, there are 2 posts open. And for a Foreman, it is 3 posts. For Mechanic, there are 12. For Fitter, there are 4. For Geyser Washer, there are 12. For Welder, there are 6. For Electrician, there are 4. For Motor Vehicle Inspectors, there are 19 posts. And for Motor Vehicle Traffic Assistant, there are 3 posts. For Sub-Motor Vehicle Inspectors, there are 8 posts open accordingly. Moving on, Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspectors, there are 6 posts open. For Motor Vehicle Traffic Assistant, there are 15. Assistant Programmer, there is only 1 post. Data Entry Operator, 23. Election Assistant Junior Scale, 110. Junior Scale Stenographer, 13. Accounts Assistant, 972. Junior Statistical Assistant, 91. Assistant Compiler, 29. Inspector, 18. Sub-Inspector, 62. And for a Chemist, there is 1 post open. Here is the education qualification requirement as necessary. For Librarian, it is BA, BSc, BCom with a bachelor's degree in Library Sciences. For Junior Librarian, there is BA, BSc, BCom with a bachelor's degree in Library Sciences. For Junior Assistant, it's graduation with the knowledge of typewriting, minimum of 35 words, speed per limit. For a Junior Stenographer, graduate with stenography and typewriting with a speed of 65 and 35 words per minute respectively. And for a Binder, it's matriculation with training in binding. Moving on, for a Cataloger, master's degree in any discipline with Bachelor of Library or Science. And for Conversation Assistant, MSc in Chemistry. Surveyor Archives, it is MA Sanskrit. Modeler, it is graduate in Fine Arts, in Sculpture or Paintings or Modeling. For Photographer, graduate with Diploma in Photography or Videography. For Chemical Assistants, it MSc Chemistry. For Lab Assistant, it is BSc requirement. Then, for a Library Assistant, it is Bachelor's degree in Library Information or Science. Junior Assistant, it is graduate with 6-month certificate course in computer applications and 35 words per minute in typewriting on computer keyboard. For Driver, it is matriculation. For Record Keeper, it's graduate degree. Labor Inspector, it is postgraduate degree in Economics or Business Administration, Commerce or Statistics. For Boiler Man, it is middle pass, having B or C class certificate on competency granted. For a Caretaker, it's a minimum inter or a higher secondary pass with elective or PUC examination or its equivalent. For a Labor Officer, degree with an Economics or a Commerce or Sociology or Diploma in Social Work or Labor Welfare or Personnel Management or Industrial Psychology. For a Supervisor, it is matriculation or its equivalent. For Career Counseling Officer, it is postgraduate degree in Business Administration or PGDM. Store Attendant, graduate with computer typing, minimum of 35 words per minute. For Foreman, it is degree 3 years diploma in automobile engineering. And for mechanic, fitter, geyser washer, for welder, electrician, the qualification requirement is ITI. Moving on, for motor vehicle inspectors, degree for a 3 years diploma in automobile mechanical engineering. For motor vehicle traffic assistant, the requirement is ITI motor mechanic vehicle of 2 years of course. For sub motor vehicles inspector, degree with a 3 years diploma in automobile or mechanical engineering. For assistant motor vehicle inspectors, diploma in automobile or mechanical engineering, 3 years course. And for motor vehicle traffic assistant, it is 10th with ITI motor mechanical vehicle of 2 years of course. Assistant programmer, it is bachelor's of degree or a BTech information technology or electronics and communication or computer engineering or computer science engineering or MCA. Then comes the data entry operator. The qualification for this is graduation with 1 year diploma in computer software applications or BSc IT or BCA, or 3 years diploma in computer applications or software applications. For election assistant junior scale, graduation with typing speed of 35 words per minute and working knowledge of Urdu. Then, for a junior scale stenographer, graduation with a minimum speed of 65 and 35 words per minute in shorthand and computer typewriting. For accounts assistant, graduation in any stream with 50% of marks. Junior statistical assistant, bachelor's degree in economics or statistics or mathematics or commerce or computer applications or information technology. For assistant compiler, 12th. For inspector, it's graduation. For sub-inspector, the same qualification of requirement, that is graduation. And for a chemist, graduation and diploma in industrial fermentation and alcohol technology. The salary details are as follows. Now each post varies accordingly. From here on, the video will be containing post by post salary details further on. So according to the post that you apply, here is the information that you have. So for the post of a librarian, the salary ranges from 35,400. For a junior librarian, junior assistant, it's going to be starting from 25,500. For junior stenographer, it is from 35,600. And for a binder, it's going to be starting from 19,900. For a cataloger, it is 35,900. For conversation assistant, it's going to be between 35,800. For surveyor, again 35,800 again. For a modeler, it is 35,800 again. For photographer and chemical assistant, we'll be following the same salary averages as mentioned here. Moving on, the post of the lab assistant, it's going to be 25,500. For library assistant, 19,900. And for driver, even for record keeper, all these posts carry the same pay scale, which is rupees 19,900. For a junior assistant, it's going to be 25,500. For caretaker, it's going to be again 25,500. For a labor officer, it's going to be 35,900 again. For supervisor, you'll have the same salary as of the record keeper, which is 19,900. For career counseling officer, it's going to be 35,400. And for a store attendant, it is 19,900. Moving on, for foreman and mechanic, the salary is between 35,400. For a fitter, it is 25,000. For geyser washer, it is 19,900. For a welder, it is 25,000. The electrician carries the same weightage of pay. Motor vehicle inspectors with 35,800. For motor vehicle traffic assistant, it's going to be 19,900. For sub-motor vehicle inspectors, 35,400 accordingly. For assistant motor vehicle inspectors, it's going to be 25,500. For motor vehicle traffic assistant, 19,900. And for an assistant programmer, the pay scale starts from 44,900. And here on, for data entry operator, it's going to be 19,900. And for election assistant junior scale, 25,500. For a junior scale stenographer, it is going to be 35,600. For accounts assistant and a junior statistical assistant, it's going to be 29,200. For an assistant compiler, it's going to be 25,500. For inspector and a chemist, for both of these posts, the salary is 25,400 to 35,600, ranging in between. For a sub-inspector, it is 25,500. The age limit is as follows. For SC, ST, RRB, ALC, or IB, EWS, PSP, OSC categories, it is 43. For OM, government service or contractual employment, it's 40. For physically challenged people, it is 42. Well, the selection process comes under 3 rounds. It is a written test, a skill test, and followed by an interview. The application fees is rupees 350. Well, the application link as mentioned here on the screen will lead you directly to how to apply. The same link will be placed in the description box as well, so you can check out the description box and have the direct access of the link of how to apply. Well, I hope this information is useful for you all. Do share it with your friends, whoever are needing this information. And if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, you can put it down in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Subscribe to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you.